Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be looking at, the breaking in Brookhaven and, the new update. So let's get straight into it. Okay, let's watch this.
Okay, this isn't terrible. You're actually improving.
Really?
Eyes on the road, Sky!
I can't believe people said I was a danger to the streets.
Sky,
I know.
why are we headed toward Lake Madison?
She swerved into
There's
the
no
school.
road here!
Which was the street again?
Sky!
Oh.
I'm walking home. Just
Definitely
head
not.
to the next recorder. The city of Brookhaven is in chaos.
Oh my, why is it so many
And we are
babies?
live following the biggest baby showdown in history. And as you can see, hundreds of babies have already filled the audience to watch this historic event. Our babies will fight in this small ring made especially for them. The big winner will take home this giant baby bottle full of milk. In addition, our fighters will be able to use some special weapons during the fight, such as this giant rocket that was used to go to the moon, this toilet full of poop. There are rumors that more than 800,000 people use it every day here in Brookhaven. And this super giant and delicious hamburger. I will try not to eat it before the fight starts. With only a few minutes left before the fights, we have just received information that the baby competitors have fallen asleep. And now the baby audience has started running toward the giant baby bottle.
They better not knock that down.
Probably fine, right? That's all for today's Breaking in Brookhaven.
See you next time.
Okay, let's go to Roblox.
Okay, this isn't terrible. You're actually improving.
Roblox. Then we're gonna find. Okay, just sit on. Wait, no, join. Let's join. Yeah. Remember that character I first started with? That's what I have. I'm my character now. For every single video I'm gonna do. Well, I can't do it on APM. Dragon Empire, and any other like games I play. We're in. So there's 4 new cars and there's bug fixes. Lots of bug fixes and game improvements. What is this? Is someone hacking the game? Never mind, I'm just going in a private server. I don't like this. Let's see. Not that. Maybe even. Wait. private server I'm gonna join is not mine. What's this? Oh. See. Please let me in. Wait, no. I didn't want to join a public server, but evidently did. The microphone better stay charged, or I'm gonna have to walk over there, bring the phone over here, and play it off the computer. Oh. Okay. I don't know. Drop my microphone. Actually, I don't think it's gonna work. There. Shift. Oh. Okay, guys. My computer died, so I'm gonna have to do this later. Okay, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Peace out. And bye.